Hey Virgo, this is going to be your reading for the next 15 days. All that I need to know about your soulmate situation, where things could be going, their feelings, intentions, possible outcome, blockages with advice. So let's start for Virgo's Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. First three cards for you, and then we move to your person. Okay. First card we have for you is Three of Pentacles. Right now, you guys could be focused more on your work life. Some of you guys might be finding peace, like at your workplace. You guys are not so focused on your emotional life. In the recent past, there was confusion, but right now, you guys are much at peace in life thanks to your work life. Okay. Some of you guys, I'm also getting a message that you guys could be finding someone at work. Okay, someone interesting. Okay, a colleague, a work colleague. Three of Swords. I'm getting a lot of three. Someone could have kept you into a third party situation which you are trying to find a way out from. Okay, say suppose you got to know about your person being like involved with someone else, making it a third party situation. You guys are trying to find a way out of it. Okay, someone recently has broken your heart for sure. With Queen of Swords, you guys are taking the practical approach, that is cutting out whatever is unnecessary. Okay, going to your person now. When it comes to your person, Ten of Pentacles, some of you guys could be dealing with someone who is either financially well off than you, like literally doing very well for themselves. I also feel some of you could be dealing with someone who's already married. If not, I believe you guys were dealing with someone who you wanted to get married with. Okay, I'm definitely like getting this message in terms of their energy towards you. Two of Cups. I do not know why you're so heartbroken, dear. This person definitely is thinking about you. This person is definitely wanting to make that forward moment when it comes to you. Okay, like how do they think about Virgo? The Hermit card. Okay, one more card. Why is the Hermit here? The problem is they might consider you their soulmate, they might consider you the one, but this person is still ghosting you. They are still maintaining that distance. Okay, so I believe that even after them feeling a very strong bond to you, this person is choosing to distance themselves. So, what is the major reason, Spirit, besides the third party? Okay, they want you to take action. So I believe it's ego, it's pride. Okay, this person is waiting on you to take charge, and you are not, or you won't. Okay, Two of Swords, options, lack of willingness to put in effort to take action. Okay, one more card in terms of their feelings towards Virgo. We have Queen of Pentacles, that is, this person cares deeply about you. Okay, when it comes to their heart space. Ten of Wands, but the problem is they found this connection very difficult, very overwhelming, very heavy. Okay, they always felt like it was too much work to be a part of this connection. Okay, when it comes to the hate space, I'm getting a message that for some of you guys are already dealing with someone who's in a relationship or either married. Okay, hate space, this person is choosing to ghost you because they're not willing to be a part of all this overwhelming situation. Okay, coming back to their major intentions. World. Knight of Cups. Major intention, I believe for some of you, this person does want to end what they have to end in order to choose you, but that is their intention. They are yet to take action. Okay, one card for, like, what are they planning when it comes to this connection? We have Eight of Wands. This person is definitely planning to come forward in the coming week. I would say not so soon, in the coming week. At least in the next 3-4 days, your person might choose to ghost you and still ghost you. In the next maybe a week or so, your person has definite intentions of coming forward, meeting you in person as well. Eight of Wands, Knight of Cups. Okay, one card for what can Virgos expect, however. We have Page of Wands. So you guys will definitely message. I see almost 94, 80 90% confirmation that you guys will be in communication. This person will reach out maybe in a week's time, but they will. At least by the end of the 20th of October, I see many of you guys being in communication. Okay, one card for how do they see you now? Many of you guys could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. They always considered you a friend, a very close friend. But the problem is when things got much more intense, they could not face it. I mean, they could not possibly process the feelings that they had for you, and it was just overwhelming. Some of you, they were already a part of another relationship, while being a part of you, and they did not know what to do though, so they chose the easy option, that is block you, push you away, or just not want to face you. Okay, card in terms of how they view the connection. Knight of Swords. Some of them found you very demanding, very much someone who asks too many questions, want solid conclusions, solid answers. Okay, so they thought that you had anger issues and you wanted things to be going your way or done your way, and they found you very how do I put it in words, like very I won't say manipulative, but very demanding. Someone who's vicious with their words. You tend to hurt people with your words, not actions. Okay, and they thought that you were pushing, a very pushy person. Okay, one more card. With Four of Wands, they knew that they could trust you. However, your pushy nature, or your very much someone who is a very dominating nature, that kind of triggered them. Okay, for now, what are the major blockages in this connection? Major blockage is having more than one option, and confusion. Confusion is something that I would say 70%. There's major confusion as to where this could go or where this could lead. One more card. Second thing I see is someone is very controlling, very dominating. Okay, it's either you or them. You might say it's them and they might say it's you. But I also feel there might be some age difference, age gap. I also see ego getting in the way, like major pride or ego issues. Yeah. Second card I see is someone has to leave someone in order to choose you. So a third part situation could also be in the present. Okay, someone isn't willing to change their ways or past ways. Okay, so when it comes to what are they willing to offer you this time? This time the Lovers card, I definitely see it being much more positive. With Nine of Cups, they are willing to offer you something that you're waiting on. So for many of you, they are going to choose you. Okay, with Temperance card, they might even choose to compromise in order to be with you. But this might happen over the next 6 days. Okay, not so soon, not today. But they are definitely wanting to get back. Okay, I see a very positive message. So for now, where things could be going? Moon card. For now, things I would say are going to be silent for a while before, because no one is taking action. You are waiting on them. They are waiting on you. Pride is getting in the way. A lot of confusion in this connection. A lot of doubts in this connection. A lot of fears in this connection. Okay, with Two of Pentacles, someone is holding more than one option, and that is also blocking the connection. Okay, one card of advice for my dear Virgos. Five of Wands. There is no need for you to push them, or to trigger them into reacting, or into reaching out to you. You just need to stay calm. You just need to calm your nerves. Don't try to overthink about the situation. I know it's difficult, but try to work on it. Okay, and don't unnecessarily get into fights or arguments. That is not required. Okay, one more card in terms of their message to Virgo. Ace of Pentacles. They definitely consider you something that they value. Okay, but the problem is this person wanting to compromise to the level that could get them back to you? That is a major question. But from what I see, this person definitely wants to offer you something real. That is, some of you might even end up in a commitment this very month. Okay, Eight of Swords. They feel stuck to the situation with or without you in their life. With Wheel of Fortune, they know that this is a destined connection. This is something that they were meant to meet. Okay, so yes, this is all I have for you when it comes to Virgo. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button to let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you want a personal reading, to reach out on the website and book one for yourself. We have 15% off going on promo code Happy Birthday 09 on Etsy. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.